Hi, this is Jay from Classic Auto। ये गाड़ी जो आज हम दिखा रहे हैं आपको, which is a Mercedes का alternate version of a Lexus LN and Toyota Velfire। We are showing you today is a Mercedes V-Class, but this is not only the Mercedes V-Class. This is along with V-Class, a Mercedes V-Class converted to a V-Class Maybach. You can see the details and the grille and everything of the vehicle, which is of the monogram of Mercedes Maybach. The grills are changed, the monogram, the bumper, the headlights, everything is made to a Mercedes V-Class Maybach, which is not available in India. This is a car which you will be only able to see out of India, but this car is converted to a V-Class Maybach from DC, which is Dilip Chhabria, and we have a bill for the same of around 20 lakh rupees of loadings and details of a V-Class Maybach, which is converted by Dilip Chhabria, which is DC. So this car is a TS number, which is a Telangana number. The car is third owner and the kilometers are unbelievable. The car is driven only 40,000 kilometers and in very good shape and condition. ये बाहर से तो लग रही है पूरी आपको luxury and a car which is having Velfire and a V-Class and a Lexus LN look, but from inside it is made very nice with smallest of details taken care by. You can come and see the car with me from inside. You will see it, you're going to go shocked because I have never seen a V-Class or anything like this made so nice and precise. Have a look at this. For a four-seater where you can do your meetings, take the car on a long drive without getting tired. The car reclines to become like a bed and it's a proper four-seater. Let's come inside to know more about the vehicle. We are inside this V-Class, which is converted to a four-seater, and the seats over here you can see they come out like this and become like a seat. And the seat which I am also sitting on absolutely gets reclined with the help of the buttons here. I can make this like a bed, and it is in amazing condition where you feel as if you are in a private jet going to another place where you are traveling. It's got a beautiful screen is what you can see over here, the TV which has absolutely internet available. में हर सीट में ventilated seats है, seat warmers है, massagers है. All the seats you can see over here, they have the ventilation, massager and warmers and seat coolers. Everything is there in each and every seat which you see over here. You can see the table which is over here, which will come out like this. ये दोनों टेबल ऐसे बाहर आते हैं. You can enjoy your food, meal, laptop, जो भी आपको करना है आप इस पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं. इसमें अगर आपको ड्राइवर से बात करना है तो फ़ोन भी अवेलेबल है, जो आप ड्राइवर को इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हो कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, कुछ भी जो आपको बात करना है मन करे बात कर सकते हैं. You can see the windows over here. They are also electronic. The car is absolutely like a private jet. देख सकते हो इसको साइड एंगल से भी. इसके अलॉय व्हील भी मेबैक के कन्वर्ट किए हुए हैं. गाड़ी में रेफ्रिजरेटर है. गाड़ी में ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो आपके घर में नहीं होती है. This is as good as foam on wheels for people who are traveling long distance. I think this is epitome of luxury. Details की बात करते हैं. This is a 2019 model, 40,000 kilometers driven, third owner, Telangana number, and the price is very attractive. Yes, I have to misinforming. This is a diesel vehicle and the price is very attractive. ये पूरी loading और accessories के साथ हम आपको ये गाड़ी देने वाले हैं only 65 lakh rupees में, which is got loadings which are worth more than 20 odd lakhs. So the car is amazing, in very good shape and condition. Please let us know if you want this car or any other car. These are the catalog numbers which are coming on display. Please contact us on these numbers. If you want to see the car at your doorstep, we will reach at your place to show you this amazing vehicle. And let us know if we are of any other help. There are loans also which are available up to 90%. So please contact us on the numbers coming below. Thank you very much.